Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about low density parity check code on 5G. In this topic, I am going to talk about history of LDPC, introduction, definition, Tanner graph, features of 5G LDPC, LDPC in 5G communication, application and conclusion. In 1948, Shannon published his famous paper on the capacity of channels with noise. In 1963, Robert Kalker wrote his PhD dissertation, Low Density Parity Check. He introduced LDPC codes, analyzed them, and gave some decoding algorithms. Because computers at that time were not very powerful, he could not verify that his code could approach capacity, so this LDPC vanished somewhere. And meanwhile, some efficient other code like turbo code came into the picture. After that, in 1982, Michael Tanner considered Kalker's LDPC code and his own structured code. He introduced the notion of using bipartite graph called a Tanner graph. In 1995, Kalker's LDPC codes again came into picture, led by David Mackey and many others. It was shown that LDPC code can essentially achieve Shannon capacity on AWCN and binary eraser channels. 3GPP 5G new radio is designed to work across a wide range of use cases, delivering unique performance and flexibility from 20 Gbps broadband to sub-millisecond ultra-low latency application. 5G NR introduces the use of a low-density parity check channel coder for the physical uplink and downlink shared channels over which user data is passed. LTPC is already in use in Wi-Fi and satellite broadcast application, but the variant used in 5G NR is significantly more flexible to support the full range of performance required. It has thousands of possible configurations as opposed to the handful used in other standards, with the LTPC decoder consuming up to 40% of the resources needed to realize the 5G NR physical layer. Decoder performance and efficiency are fundamental to the performance of the overall receiver. Now, what is LTPC code? LTPC code is a low density parity check code. So what is parity check? It has a parity check matrix. So we define LTPC code through a parity check. We will specify the parity check matrix for this code. Here, low density means we know that the parity check matrix is a binary matrix. It has 0 and 1s. And low density means basically it means sparse. What is sparse? There are many more 0 than 1s. There are very few 1s. The number of 1s has to be considerably smaller. So we have low density parity check code. Here we have H matrix n minus k in cross n. N into n minus k is the total number of entries in the matrix. Graphical representation of parity check matrix. Here I have taken a matrix H that is called parity check matrix. In this matrix I have taken 3 row and 7 column. In this Tanner graph, a small circle is denoted by column C1, C2 to C7. Here, row is denoted by box R1, R2 and R3. Here, a small circle is called bit nodes and box is called check nodes. Every one in column is connected to row 1, row 2 and row 3. So, Tanner graph is very useful, particularly when you look at decoding for LDPC codes. Most decoders are described on the Tanner graph. A lot of properties of the code is studied on the Tanner graph. Features of 5G LTPC. It has high performance, easy to integrate, low power, half the energy per bit of competitors. 5G NR optimized design outperforms in generic solution. Efficient design saves device area. Very low latency meets strict requirement for URLLC, no error flows, highly configurable for wide range of base station and terminal application. LDPC code provides better security gaps and security regions, which helps to provide secure communication and transmission. In the 5G physical layer, NOMA and LDPC provide a better secrecy capacity, and security gap respectively. In this paper, the utilization of H matrices in high-rate LDPC codes developed for physical channel is considered. In the LDPC coding scheme, random bits in each row are distributed to develop H matrices. It means that an irregular arrangement of non-zero bit is used in each row of the H matrix, although not as straightforward as in the H-matrix development for large-scale irregular LDPC codes are designed with irregular H matrices which are considered with three different sizes. LDPC application. It uses in digital video broadcasting second generation, WiMAX, Wi-Fi, digital satellite broadcasting system, wireless local area network and metropolitan area network. In current implementation, LDPC shows relatively good performance in both area and energy efficiency. In 3GPP radio access network meeting LDPC codes both uplink and downlink eMBB data channels. LDPC codes securing much more observation because of their advantages of excellent bit error rate performance, fast encoding and decoding procedure, which make them the strong contenders for 5G channels code. Thank you.